Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, it's time to get some more stuff started, and today I'm going to do garlic. Now, I don't know if I don't usually buy this kind of garlic. This is garlic from China. Never buy it to eat, but I noticed like it was cheap today because they're starting to sprout. Even the garlic knows when it's time to be planted. So what I did was I drilled holes in the bottom of the solo cups, and I separated the garlic cloves. I didn't plant the little guys, stuck them in the dirt, and now I'm going to cover them up, okay? And then after I cover them up and cover them up well, lots of dirt. And these can actually stay in the solo cups because your clove of garlic's never going to outgrow that. Pack it down a little bit. Water it really, really, really well. And for me, I always spray this. It's a half a cup of water to a cap full of peroxide. And I spray it on top. And this is if you're going to cover it up, which I'm going to cover it up with saran until it sprouts. The only thing with potting mix that you buy in a bag is it's been sealed up, it's wet, it's moisture, there's spores in there, and you can actually get Legionnaire's disease from bags of dirt. So whenever you buy a bag of dirt, I shouldn't say dirt, topsoil, potting mix, whatever, open it, don't breathe it in. Open it and let it air out. Let the, the spores, let it breathe. Otherwise, you don't want you getting sick. But sometimes it's moldy, or sometimes if you open it and then close the bag up tightly, you'll notice that it's molded. But if you put peroxide on it, then it won't mold. Okay, and probably in 5 days, these are all going to have shoots out, and I'll see you in 5 days. There we go. It's all covered up with saran wrap. Everything's been well watered, and it's sitting in a nice, bright, sunny window.